If you're looking for a way to simulate writing on a classroom whiteboard in an online environment, we have a solution that is easy to set up in your home or office. And you can create it using materials from an unexpected location, your pantry. You'll need a cell phone or tablet with a camera, paper, a marker or thick pen, and 2 or 3 cans from your pantry. To get started, log into Blackboard and go to your course site. Click on Collaborate Ultra and select the desired session. Click on the box for guest access. Select Presenter for the guest role and save the session. Then copy the guest link. Once you've completed setting up your session, email the guest link to yourself. Then, on your phone or tablet, check your email and open the link. Log in and choose a descriptive name such as My Phone. Additionally, join the session on your laptop or desktop computer. You'll want to be in a well-lit room or under a lamp. On your phone within Collaborate Ultra, click on the camera icon to share your phone's video. You should see the video from your phone on your computer screen. Mute either your phone or your computer session if you have both microphones on. If you have both microphones on, it will most likely cause an echo or feedback. To mute, just press the microphone icon in Collaborate Ultra so it has a line through it. Now comes the fun part. Stack a couple of cans and place your camera on top. If you want more security, carefully place one more can on top of your phone. Arrange the paper under your camera phone and write on that paper. The image that you see on your computer screen is the same one that the students see, so make sure you're able to read it easily. Pause and move your hand as necessary to explain or illustrate what you've written. If you happen to have an external USB camera, you can use that instead of your phone. In this case, from your laptop or desktop, navigate to the purple Collaborate panel and click Share Content, then click Share Camera. From there, select your USB camera. Arrange your USB camera either using cans or attach it to a lamp using a clip. As with any new technology or technique, you might want to try this out before class. Thanks for watching and have fun trying this clever Collaborate Ultra hack.